Hi guys, this is Arup Karmakar and you're watching Uidesign. Today I'll teach you how to play that thing to impress your crush. I won't. But today I'll teach you something creative. I'll teach you how to design the registration page for an application in Figma. Let's get started. The first thing that we have to do is to open the Figma, obviously. When you open your Figma file, it looks like this. These are your templates. These are the recent files. Okay, this is your name through which ID through which you have logged in. These are the drafts. You can explore community. You can explore plugins through this area. Okay, my first step actually is to click on this full add sign and to take one file. Okay, there are two kinds of file in Figma. First one is design file. The another one is FigJam file. I'll click on the design file because for this we will be using design file. This is the whole canvas on which you will work on. I'll quickly rename this file to Figma tutorial. Sorry. Okay, it looks nice. Now what I have to do? First, I'll keep this tutorial very simple. The first step, I'll show you the output, then we'll decide how to achieve that output. Okay, so these are the outputs. Don't worry, we'll just take one of these pages and we'll design basically one of these pages. This is my project that I was working on for my UX courses from Google. This is the application for like eat at theater. These are the dark mode, these are the light mode. What will I do? I'll take any of the screens, I'll take any of the pages, I'll take this registration page. Cool. I'll control C, I'll copy this and we'll paste it to our new file. Correct. This has been done. What is my next step? My next step is to take a frame. What is frame? Frame is like canvas on which you will work on basically. Yeah, this is in right hand corner. This is sorry. First, this is the frame part. From this region, you can select this is the frame part, and in right hand corner, you can see that there are too many options from which you can select: iPhone, Android, tablet, desktop, presentation, watch, etc. So I will select this iPhone 11 Pro. Correct, this has been selected. Okay, what is my next step? The next step is to decide the layout grid. What is layout grid? For example, this is whole Canva and you can put like randomly you can put anything anywhere. But will that make sense? No, right? So what I have to do, I have to make everything align. The gap between each and every line, each and every element should be equal. Every pixels every pixel should be counted, should be like checked for. So like that, what will I do? I'll create a layout grid. For that, I'll come to right hand corner, I'll click on this layout grid, I'll click on this option, I'll change it to columns, and I'll keep the margin as 12. Yeah, I'll keep the gutter is the space between these these two columns. So I'll keep this as 15 and I'll keep the count as 10. No, 10 is getting way more. So I'll keep this as 8. Okay. And I'll keep the cutter width to like your 8. Yeah, this looks fine. Now what I have to do, if you don't want, if for the starting purpose, if this is too much for you and if you don't want this, you can turn it off also. This I button is for turning it off and turning it on basically. So I'll just turn this off for right now. This will like make the canvas more clean. My next step is to select the color. I have here two colors, this brown and this lightish kind of pink. I'll take one shape. This is frame tool, and the right hand side you can select any shape. This is shape tools. So I'll select ellipse. I'll control C, control V, and I'll select two colors. The first color will be in right hand corner. You can select the color. This is the drop option, and I'll select this one. I'll select the dropper. I'll put it here. Yeah. So my these two colors have been created. I'll use only these two colors in everything that I'll use. Okay. So my next step is to fill this frame with one color. As you can see, the color is brown. So I'll take the dropper first. Okay. Let me show you. First, I'll select the frame. I'll go to right hand side. I'll click on fill. I'll select the dropper and I'll put the dropper here. Nice. So whole canvas has been filled. Next, what will be our next step? The next step is to take, as you can see, these are some kind of shapes that have been put here. This is one kind of shape, this is one kind of shape, these are another kind of shapes, these are circles. So let's just make one shape like this. How to make a shape like this? Go to your shape tools, select rectangle, just drag it like this, and check out the dimension of this rectangle. Is saying 375 and 288 in the right hand corner. You can check it out. I'll just control C for the width. Okay, 375, its width is right. Now what will I do? I'll control C the height and control V height here. Okay, so these two are okay. I have to try. Correct. Now these two are identical to each other. The next thing what I have to do is to round off the corners. How can I round off these corners? The first step is to, as you can see, the radius here marked is 40 and 40. So I'll click on this rectangular box. I'll go this square. I can make here also 40. But if you want to tweak each corner, you can select here like 0, 0, and you can see that these two corners have been set to 0 and these two corners have been set to 40 pixels of radius. This has been done. My next step, this is looking, this rectangle have this color, so I'll take dropper. First I'll select this rectangular box. I'll take the dropper. I'll put the same color. Yeah, this has been done, right? My next step is to how can I write this name, this line, this email, mobile number? How can I write in this? Okay, so for writing tool, we have text option here. You can go and place it here. You can write whatever you want. Just relax. Just sit. I'm writing anything just for saving time. You can center it. There is alignment option. This is the align horizontal centers. Okay, I'll just drag it upward. Okay, this has been done. I've aligned its centers. Now what I have to do, I'll name. I have to type one name, one email, one mobile number. So for that, I'll just copy this text only. Control C, Control V. This has been copied. I'll keep it here. Now my grid lines will come into picture. Okay. So I'll just keep it here. I'll change the color of the text to white for better contrast. Yeah, this has been done. I'll change this to name, correct, and I'll put one line here. How to put line? Again, go to shape tools, select line, just to this. If you see that your line is not like parallel to the screen, then you can check it out, 0.64 degree rotation, so change it to 0. Nice. Now change the color of the line to white. Okay, this has been done. Now just select both, Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. Okay, this one is the email, this one is mobile number. Okay, like this you can create the other two also. And for now I'll take this picture, I'll Control C, Control V, I'll put this picture here. You can get this picture from websites like FreePic. I'll just show you quickly. You can go to FreePic, you can open it, and you can like download any kind of pictures that you like, PNG, PSD, whatever picture you like. You can download it from there and you can put it here, right? How you can put it, you can click on the, and you can click anywhere, like you can click on this box, you can go here, you can select from solid to image, then you can put it here, correct? Or either you can drag and drop also. For example, if you want to put any pictures like project, if I want to drop this, I'll open this file and I'll drag and drop this file. So like you can see, this has been dropped here. I'll delete this file, correct? So this has been done. I'll just show you how to bring these icons like F and G. These are not matching, these are not common text. So how can I get there? So I'll just show you how to do that. For that, I'll open my plugin. I'll go here, right click, plugins, then I'll go to feather icons. Yeah, this is opening. It takes a while. You can search it like Facebook, F, and you can get it F here, correct? So you can get F here. Okay, so you can change the color to white or blue as per you like. You can fill it also with the color blue, correct? This is looking nice. Okay, so like this you can get the Google also from feather icons. From where to download plugins, I'll tell you in next video. Like this you can get Google also, Control C, Control V, you can get it from plugins. Okay, so the basic part of this has been created. You can put name, email, mobile number, these two icons. And what about these icons? At the rate, phone, eyes, everything you can get in plugin. You open feather icons, you can get eye symbol like this. You can get one eye, you can put it like here. Nice, you can color it with nice white. So like this is just to show you example. I'll delete this. Okay, I'll turn off the grids. So like this you can create, I have shown you just the basic part, how to put the pictures, how to align things, how to where to find most of the things, how to find grid, how to find these icons. Okay, and one more thing, if you want to find any icons, like you can go to this home, you can click on explore community, you can type anything you like you want icons for your project, you can click on icons, correct? You can get any number of icons. Like these are the files that you can copy, these are the plugins that I have been talking about. These have been installed, material design icons, then icons 8, background remover, font awesome icons. Yeah, these all have been installed. So you can check it out through community. If something you are not getting, you can always go to home, you can click on community and you can get it there. Hi guys, thank you for watching this video. It means a lot to me. Today I've shown you how to find things, how to find tools, where to find pictures, where to find colors, how to put it in Figma. If you want to keep learning more stuff like this, do follow my channel. Please like, comment and share. Till then, bye.